Welcome to lesson number 12, F major scale, the most played key on guitar on keyboard. Most people like playing F major. Objective: by the end of this lesson, it is expected of you to play F major scale across the fretboard. F major scale involves F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, and then F. Let's take it again. F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. Good. So look at how I am playing it. Third finger, open G, second finger, third finger, first finger, third finger, open E, first finger. So you get your shape like this. Good. That is for this position. You can also start with your second finger like this, and then play it this way. Then it brings you to this kind of shape. Okay, where your forefinger is your forefinger is at the 8th fret. Your forefinger is at the 8th fret on the A string. So you get your forefinger F, first finger G, third finger A, forefinger B flat, first finger C, third finger D, first finger E, then your third finger, second finger plays the F. So you get, there you get a shape like this. Good. You can also play it downwards. Good. And then you get it. Okay. So you get the same shape like this, where your forefinger ends at the 13th fret. Then very good. My guitar is out of tune. Good. So that is for F major. Try and play them. Learn them by heart and play them by heart across all the fretboard. Welcome to lesson 13, F sharp major scale. Objective: by the end of this lesson, you are expected to play F sharp major scale across the fretboard. F sharp major scale involves F sharp, G sharp, B flat, B, C sharp, E flat, F, then F sharp. So we have F sharp, G sharp, B flat, B, C sharp, E flat, F, F sharp. So The first position over here is you can start with your forefinger on the fourth fret on the D string like this. Forefinger, first finger, third finger, fourth finger, second finger, fourth finger, first finger, then second finger. So you get something like you can continue to the sixth fret, sixth string. All right, good. So you start with your second finger, you end with your second finger. Very good. You can also start here with your second finger like this, and do this kind of shape like this. Forefinger, first finger, second finger, fourth finger, second finger, fourth finger, then let's take that one again. So it brings you here with this kind of shape where your first forefinger is at the ninth fret on the A string. So you get a shape like this. Then you can also continue. Then you get something like this. And then it also brings you here. Then you continue like this. It goes on and on and on.